And welcome to my first ever YouTube channel. I have been wanting to do YouTube videos for so long, and I'm so happy that I finally get to start with them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I knew I always wanted to do a video, or at least start the channel off by doing something that I really love to watch. So obviously it would be something maybe that you guys like to watch. This is my Boxycharm unboxing video. Okay, so I don't know if many of you know how this works. It's an American-based subscription. Now, we do get them here in South Africa, just a very long way to get here, but we do get them thanks to a company called Aramex, or Aramex. They have a thing called Global Shopper. I think there are other courier companies that do Global Shopper, but Aramex is just the one I knew of, like, firstly, that did this. So I went with them. It's quite easy to get it here. We paid $21 for the actual box from Boxycharm, and then Aramex charges about 200 Rand to get it to your door from America, which, guys, it's so worth it. I mean, okay, let's say that you pay $40 in total for this box, which is about 500 bucks. I'd say about 500 Rand is how much I spend just to get this here every month. The products in here are never less than, I think they said it's $100 or $120, which is about like 1,500 Rand. It's always that or more. And for me, the value is, it's just so worth it. This month's box is really exciting. I peeked inside just to kind of see what makeup I had to wear or not have to wear. So as you can see, I've got nothing on, and that's because the very first product is a skincare product. We are going to jump right into the box. When you open it, the very first thing you see is a little pamphlet. On the pamphlet, it says Boxycharm, and then you open it up, and then it kind of just lists all the products that are here. So it gives a short little description of what the product does, and how to use it, and then also the product price. I think it's very cute. This month's theme is eye candy. Without further ado, let us start. Okay, so the first product, when we open the box, is this blue little bottle. It is called the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner by Dr. Brandt. On the bottle it says it's a pore purifying mask, and okay, so it says its recommended use is: after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern, avoid eyes, and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water, pat dry, and use 2 to 3 times per week. So I will definitely be trying this out just to kind of see if I actually like it or not. But I will be showing you what it looks like. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist. Unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. I like this a lot. Let's see if it works. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's kind of dried a lot, as you can see. It's just over here. I can see that it's a little bit wet, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm just gonna go wash it off. It's been 5 minutes. Actually about 8, but they said 5 to 10, so that's okay. So I'm going to go rinse it off, and then we can do the rest of the box. Next item in the box is this little guy. It says that this is a tinted eyebrow with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. I'm going to try it out without filling it in, just because I want to see how good the tint is, because it is tinted. Okay, it's definitely picking up on whatever hair it touches. I like the shade. I think it's about the color I would choose if I had to fill my brows in. I don't like a shade too dark, so I think this is just right. I just think it looks a bit scruffy, not filled in, if I can give any criticism, but that's obviously because that's how I chose to apply it today. But I think this is perfect for in the morning if you have like 5 minutes to get ready and you want your eyebrows done, obviously, because I think eyebrows are amazing. They frame your face, so a good filled in brow, not too much, but a good filled in brow definitely is a must. I like it very much. I think it gives great coverage. If there are a little bit of gaps, I think you can just go in with it again, and if you really aren't satisfied, then you can just take your powder for your eyebrows and just fill them in. But I really like how natural it looks. Okay, so the next product in here will be, we're not going to this now, but it will be my ColourPop Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the exact one that I wanted. I'm so glad that I got this one. It comes with, I think, 12 shades. Yeah, 12 shades, and they're gorgeous. I think they're stunning. You've got nice little pops of color here, and then a few mattes. I think it's actually split half, which is amazing. So I'm just quickly going to prep my eyes, and then we can do an eye look. Highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. You get a good variety of colors, very natural, so you'd be able to actually go on holiday or literally just throw this into your essentials bag and you're sorted. You do not have to have any other palettes in conjunction with this one. I think I'm going to do this is show you the shadow color I'm going to be putting on my eyes and then just do it like that, so I will be fast forwarding this part. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyes. I like how it came out. I quickly just did my foundation and my bronzer and my blush because the next item in the box is a highlighter. Now this is a cream highlighter which I've never used before. This is the Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow in Sparkler. It says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pools are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto the skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. Okay, now I've never ever used a cream highlighter, so I don't know how to do this. So I'm going to use my little purple beauty blender thing from Real Techniques. This is not a brand that you can get in South Africa, so I think it's fantastic that we get brands that we don't get here at a fraction of the price. If we had to just get this product from overseas and pay for shipping, it would cost us $500, the exact amount that our whole box cost us. The reason I did my foundation, bronzer and blusher is because that is the way I do it, and then I put a highlighter on. And I'm not really sure how to do this one, so I figured let me just keep to that step so that if it messes up, yeah, I don't know. So I have powdered my face. I think at this point I just kind of have to do it. So from a distance, I actually don't know if you guys can see it. I think you can. I think the shade is a bit too dark for me. I love the color. I really like the color. It's this beautiful golden color, but I think it's too dark for my skin. It looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous and shiny on camera. But if I'm standing away and you're not seeing a shine, you do just see this darker situation going on here. And then when you turn, then you only see the shine and stuff. But it looks nice. This is very nice for photography, actually. I definitely think I prefer powder highlighters. It's much easier to control. This is definitely something I'm going to have to practice with to kind of just, you know, feel a bit more comfortable with it. But all cream products are a bit more tricky than powder products. The last product is this little guy. This is the Adesse New York. I actually don't know how to say this. Adesse New York high definition liquid lipstick. Luxurious, creamy, long wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and EU compliments. I love cruelty-free products. I always try and find a product or a brand or a dupe or whatever of products rather cruelty-free first, if that makes sense. I'd rather shop for a cruelty-free product before I shop for a product that has been tested on animals. So I'm going to just apply this with the thing. I'm not even going to put a lip liner underneath. It's very tacky. Not a bad thing. It's not, definitely not a bad thing. I was saying it has like a very lip glossy texture or finish. By that I mean, like lipsticks, or no, lip glosses are very tacky, and that is exactly what this feels like. It does feel creamy at the same time, and I definitely think this is going to last a long time, also because it's so tacky. Okay, so that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys on the rest of my journey, and thank you for watching. Mwah.